When handling marketing campaigns that are targeted to large groups of clients and partners, populating each campaign with information specific to each recipient would take far too much time. In the BNTouch CRM, you don't need to handle this information on a case-by-case basis. You can simply use meta tags to add relevant information from each record in your database to the appropriate marketing message. Meta tags are stand-in codes used to populate your communication with relevant information. Each meta tag is a block of text surrounded by 2 hashtags on either side. These meta tags can be used in the place of company, borrower, partner, or other information in your CRM to conveniently pull the corresponding information. Whenever the meta tag would appear in text, it will be replaced by the linked information that matches the record or piece of information being referenced. For example, the borrower's first name tag looks like this: ##, client _name _1, ##. Whenever this text appears in the text of a marketing campaign, your CRM will auto-populate each borrower's name into each email sent, without needing to write each borrower's name in their specific email. If you send a campaign out to Alice, Bob, and Catherine, each of their messages will be personalized with their own name. Meta tags can be used throughout your CRM when creating messages. In the Marketing tab, you can use them when creating your campaign steps. If you open the step editor, you can use meta tags in the step name and the message fields. Many pre-made campaigns from the Content Exchange will already have meta tags populated in them, but you can always add them to your own campaigns, change them to match your business needs, or remove those that aren't relevant. You don't need to memorize these hashtag terms to use meta tags. You can always add them to your marketing material using the Insert Meta Tag button of the text editor. When you click this button, you'll see a list of many meta tags. You can scroll through them using the scroll bar to the right, but you'll see that there are hundreds to choose from. Instead, you can just start typing the information you're looking for into the search bar above the list. This will narrow the list to only matching tags. When you find one you want to use, click Insert to add it to your message. If you need to view a full list of available meta tags and the corresponding data fields they represent, just open the Options tab of your CRM and click Meta Tags Listing. All currently available meta tags can be found here.